Here are today we are going to discuss about the rules for formation of image by spherical lens. What are the various rules for formation of images? Here are the headline: rules for formation of image by spherical lens. Whenever I say spherical lens, means we are basically talking about double convex or double concave lens. Yeah, simply concave and convex lenses respectively. Now, there are certain rules, and these rules are very helpful to for the formation of image by the spherical lens at the various position of the object. As I told that we only consider two spherical lens: concave, this is concave lens, and this one is convex, this is convex lens. So here are rules. The rules, and we can represent the rule, we can show the rule with the help of some simple diagram, simple ray diagram. Look at the first rule. The first rule says, even incident rays are parallel to principal axis. When incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, what is the sign convention suggests? Always incident ray will always move from left to right. Sign convention says incident rays are always move from left to right. Okay. Now this is optical center. This is F2. Here is F1. Now what the rule says, when incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will definitely passes from focal point. Okay. What is the corresponding rule for concave lens? Corresponding rule, right? Parallel rule. Corresponding rule. Here is a concave lens. Again we will say this is F1 and F2 respectively. When incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, look at this. Incident rays parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will appear to come from focal point. Parallel rule. Rule number 1 for convex lens: even incident rays are ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection through the convex lens, ray will definitely passes from its focal point. Here, when incident rays are parallel to the principal axis, after refraction by concave lens, ray is appear to come from the focal point. Okay. Similarly, rule number 2 says, here is the diagram. The rules can be explained with the help of simple diagram. Here F2 and F1 respectively. Now what will happen? Optical center. What will happen when incident rays is coming from optical center, coming from focal point? When incident ray is coming from focal point and it will incident on lens, the ray will become parallel. Ray will become parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray, after refraction, the ray will become parallel to the principal axis. So what rule says, given incident rays is passes from focal point and incident on a convex lens, after refraction, ray will become parallel to the principal axis. Is it clear? In the same fashion, how can I show the rule number 2 with the help of the diagram? Here are the rule number 2. Look at the optical center, F1 and F2 respectively. Okay. Now, when I can say that even incident ray is moving towards focal point, what the rule, corresponding rule for concave lens? I will say when incident rays are moving towards focal point, after refraction, the ray will become parallel. The ray will become parallel. Double arrow shows refracted ray. Single arrow shows incident ray. These are certain, sign convention. But every time we will say that incident ray will move from left to right. Incident ray will move from left to right. Okay. Now the next rule. What the next rule says? Rule number 3. All these rules are very helpful in the formation of image.